Judge, financial.
I don't have any more. Hey, come on up.
I think it gave you. She's gonna keep the table and top of her documents on how they better manage the windows.
Okay, my only issue is I don't want her to use, and I don't know how else to do it. Because with that schedule, it gives her too much time, and we just would never know about it. She could have, 2 beers, 2 drinks. We'd never know about it. And that's my problem.
Because if you tested at the beginning of the line and then went to the very end of the other, I think it's like different numbers. And
That's too much. Yeah,
well, thank you.
thanks. Hey, it's not food in here. You said it. Please. I'll be out.
Yeah.
Miss Hudson.
Good morning. Here on Palacio, case number 255-0464.
Sorry. Give me a second.
Okay.
It reeks of weed in here. You don't smell that? Yeah. It reeks of weed in here. Is that dude? It's him. I mean, I smell it all the way over here. What's his last name?
What's that? Right.
You got a, yeah, you got a cause number?
I don't know.
Okay. Ms. Hudson,
Yes, sir. Case number 255-0464.
okay?
I'm just trying to make sure it's okay for Mr. Palacio to test near his home instead of having to bother somebody else to travel 2 hours to Houston to do the drug test.
He needs to go to a Quest Diagnostic.
Okay, so as long as he can find a Quest Diagnostic near him
Correct.
and turn the results in today, that's okay.
Yeah, he's not allowed to go to Punka City testing.
Okay,
It needs to be a
gotcha.
Quest.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank
Thank you.
No, I think it did not.
He belongs in court 10. Timothy, right?
Yes, he does.
It was, this it's 261447.
Oh, it was transferred. It was here originally. It was, and that's the confusion, but it was transferred to court center. Gotcha. So he's first. Yes. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Okay. I did one that's like it's from like. What is it? He's got four. One. Your one. Oh, yes. You know, you can do it in the guys, I saw in schools. On the leads, for example, you just have to change the date. I'm just gonna look at it, there's specific things in and it's gonna be stuff. It's going to take us really, that's gonna show you from the second part of this. I figured it out. I was trying to do something. But I have it, I'll test her approaching, but I'm.
Here, I'll trade you. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. This one. Is there a commissioner? Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
Hey, wow.
Just want to say hi, I know that.
You floating?
Going around,
Thanks.
upwards, so.
Yeah.
I'm checking.
Just take the day off, man. Just go.
Good to see you.
You too. Thanks for coming to help. Are you ready? Damn Story on Palacio. Do you mind? Do you have the cause number?
Oh, it's plastic.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's in. You already know. You already know.
I. Oh. Do you want to use it or just, a note?
Say it again.
If you want to amend it over, just a note put in.
Just put a note. Yeah. Whatever's easier for you. Victoria, you want to go through the list?
Page 2, both defendants, those over here, one has two bonds posted.
Okay, 5,002 on the top. And then on the bottom, 2,501. And I'll do a bail order on the zone.
We just need to. So I don't really want to- that doesn't mean it's like- It's trying to think that might take it. Actually, the grandmothers are two ladies there. Finish up. You guys. Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Then I'll just.
Bottom of page 3, I'm assuming is next, right?
Yes, there's a page four.
Oh my God, that many cables. Oof, oof. So 25,000 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 25,005 on all three. Antoine, are you ready? No? Got it. Okay. Please, just the last name of your client.
Last up is Soften. Call number is 259
Okay,
5721. Sorry.
okay.
Yes, right. It's David last up. It's a situation in which the alleged incident took place, but 8 months before, so in February, March of
January.
25.
Or sorry, December.
No, that's when it was filed. It was filed. He made a report 8 months after.
Judge, we need a PSR for the.
Is the defendant here?
No, he's not sure. I was seeing what, I was trying to get a response in, and if so, arrange for him to come in and see if you would set bonds.
I'm not one that won't do anything until they get here,
Okay,
because I can't do anything.
okay, what's
Like,
your
I'm not
process?
gonna-
Do you have to come with a bondsman, or how do you?
Just have them come and then we can talk. I'd like their position. We need a PSR. I need to know what kind of criminal history they got, you know.
Understood.
I need a fly swatter, I swear.
Not a problem.
Just bring him in,
He
we'll
has
talk.
an
It's not a big
active
deal.
warrant, So he's trying to see what, to get his bond together and make sure he's.
We never set a bond until they get here.
Understood. But you litmus test, you got a ballpark on when each got together, you think about range you.
It's not anything crazy.
Okay.
You know, I mean, do you see any criminal history?
I just ran it. He was arrested for deadly conduct in 2009, but his pardon was rejected, and then it looks like there was a burglary of auto, from Louis. Lawrence County. And a criminal mischief. But I have no.
Well, 2010. 03.
It's not gonna be crazy, but you're probably gonna need a bond today because I can't give him a PR bond.
Understood. All right, thank you, Russell.
Yeah.
Y'all good.
If you guys can agree on something, it'll make it a lot easier,
All right.
you know, so. She's visiting though, so you're gonna talk to Parwa and then, yeah.
Who's the time secretary?
Here's a reduction.
Oh, yeah.
Hey,
Hi, Judge.
come on up,
That meeting in a few minutes.
okay? What's his last name?
Escobedo?
Is he on docket or no?
It's a trial case for next week.
Got it, okay.
Sorry to come in late. I'm at a hustle.
I'm not concerned about you, I'm concerned about him coming in shorts. Like he's coming to the beach or something.
And he's working,
This is a courthouse.
you know.
I'll figure out how to get out. Could be late. Have a good weekend.
Thank you for helping. Barwa, on that trial case, do you have the call number? By chance?
So I was, go to a store where it's in my court date, that's 30. Still here. And
Really?
yes,
You also have court to go to.
I'm at where it's like the Thursday.
But this isn't Burger King where you get your way, man.
Question, Judge.
Shoot.
So this is a DWI second being reduced to DWI first. First DWI is like 25 years old. Our concern is that it's going to trigger a suspension, a driver's license suspension. And
It's going to.
it's going to, yes.
It's just, right,
Yeah, that is what it is.
sure.
But, so he's going to apply for an occupational, and he already has the interlock in his personal vehicle, so that's not a problem, but he does drive a mail truck.
That's a problem.
Yeah, so what can we do about that?
I have no idea. But,
Well, the court could authorize him to drive his work vehicle without an interlock, right?
I mean, I'd have to look at his driving record. I want to see how he's been on bond. You know, has he had violations? And I mean, I guess we'll take a look at everything concerning. Because I don't know, I don't remember anything about it.
Okay,
So I'd have to, we don't just guarantee and just
Sure,
sign
I
everything
understand.
that comes by. I mean, we take a look at everything and, you know, the other thing is this, is that what are you guys wanting to do? Probation?
it's a time served,
Well, no, I'm not on the second.
even if the person is 25 years old?
Correct. I will not.
Okay,
Regardless, even if you wanted an occupational license, he would have to do treatment as a condition of the occupational license, which in that case, what we would always do is have them do a TRAS. Based on the TRAS, that's what we would put in the occupational license if he wanted one. The laws
Okay.
changed that they have to do treatment. Normally, someone will do probation or they'll do the PTI program where they are doing some kind of treatment where that will suffice for purposes of the occupational license. But on a second,
okay, I mean, it
So-
may be that we just have to keep it on the trial docket.
sure,
Um,
if you want probation, then
Yeah.
did you offer probation?
I mean, and I think that was previously the offer. I mean, and if they're offering a time survey, I would presume that they would also offer a probation.
Sure.
Yeah, we had a probation on.
Yeah.
Yeah, and for purposes of the occupational license, what he would be doing in the probation would suffice for purposes of the treatment for the occupational license.
Okay, let me check with him, Judge. The only thing is, I don't think that I can try the case next week. I've got a felony that's set on Friday. And then a hearing that's set on Tuesday, and I've just got a lot I'm moving offices and it's,
What kind of hearing do you have set?
it's a suppression hearing.
What's the cause number?
257
Okay.
9431.
I'm not giving him an occupation. I mean, he's had multiple bond violations. And so if you want an occupational license, I probably would, but I would 100% require an interlock in the vehicle. He's had multiple bond violations.
Okay,
It's just, you got to understand that he's DWI, suspended license, DWI, bond violation. I don't want to put my name on a license unless I know it's secure, because
course.
if there's something that goes out there and happens, I just don't, I want to prevent that from happening. If you want to keep it on the trial docket, I'm more than happy to, but I don't want to play a game where we do a reset and then they got to prepare for trial, then we got to do it, and then you want to plead guilty on the day of trial. No, if you want a continuance, I'm happy to give it to you. We give you one,
Mhm.
but if we do it, we are going to go to trial.
Okay.
So
All right,
we'll
let
not
me talk to
accept.
him, and see what he wants to do and,
Sure.
and make sure there's no,
Yeah.
no back and forth.
Yeah.
Okay,
For what it's worth, I understand that one was so long ago, but with age, you get older, you get wiser, you learn things, and yet we have another DWI and bond violation after bond violation. The last thing we want is him to graduate to felony status.
agreed. Yeah. Okay, thanks, Judge.
Okay, let me know. Hi,
I have a bait on your docket.
what's the last name?
Bait, BATE.
Okay,
We're doing a 151 transfer of the civil commitment, the order and the transportation order should be in you.
got it. I'll sign it now.
Thank you. Judge.
Okay. Thanks, Sebastian.
Judge, counsel's on Zoom.
Yeah, I see.
Okay.
I let. Mr. Antalan,
He has page 16, your room.
Good morning, Your Honor.
good morning. Come up, Mr. Yarbrough. I know that you just want to get in and get out, but we are at the mercy of the lawyers. You ask for a court-appointed lawyer. We acquiesce to you. We wait on the lawyers to get here. That's what we are waiting on. We're not keeping you here just for the sake of keeping you here. It's you wanted a lawyer. We are at the mercy of waiting for them. Do you understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Your other option is you can go hire a lawyer. So you tell me, you can stick with the lawyer or you can go hire a lawyer. But I'm going to tell you now, Mr. Yarbrough, we don't play games here. There's a certain way that we conduct business. There's a certain amount of respect that we like. And I'm going to tell you this is not a revolving door. If you miss court, if you pick up a new case, I will revoke your bond. I'm not going to give you another PR bond and you will be stuck like Chuck. Do you understand? I'm not asking for much. I want my community safe. Do you have a cell phone? Etch, do you mind getting the number so we can? Or
Judge, June 16 or 17?
Mr. Antalan, did you hear that?
Yes, Your Honor. June 16th, please.
Okay.
The bond condition that we've placed on him is he's not allowed to go back to any TJ Maxx. I'm going to
Understood.
chat you the phone number now. His
Thank
cell
you.
phone number. Give me 1 second. This is Mr. Antalan, who's been appointed to represent you. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with him. If he tells me he cannot get a hold of you, I will revoke your bond. his number will also be on the paperwork and on the reset. So you need to get a hold of him within 24 hours of you guys leaving here. If he tells me he cannot get a hold of you, do you understand? Come on.
Get the bond.
Yeah, they're ready to be signed too.
Yeah, what's your name, sir? Sorry.
Yarbrough.
You got it? Yeah.
Hi,
Question, Judge.
shoot.
Would you accept a probation on a DWI first?
Of course.
Okay.
The only thing that I think is certainly inappropriate is when you continue to pick it up and then it continues to be the proverbial time served. I mean, it's just, you know what I mean? But other than that,
Yeah,
really.
okay.
Your Honor, I have that phone number. Thank you.
Okay, we sent him out. So I guess, do you have anyone else?
No, sir, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, good luck.
Thank you.
Thanks. Okay, who's next?
Bottom of 10, except for Raymond, that was right there.
Um, 2501.
And then top of 16 for Wilson, you found no CC. Are we expecting a non?
Is that the theft?
Yeah, that's that theft.
I think we're probably gonna,
Huh?
I think I'm gonna talk to Chief.
Okay,
That's the
I'll put
one
it on
with-
Monday.
Okay, it was the one with the value.
Judge, bottom of 20. I'm waiting for the council to show up, because the road just went all the way to finally it up. Are you gonna want to vote that or?
What are you talking about?
Golf?
Shut the hell up. He bonded out and picked up more cases. Shut the front door. No way. Oh,
Judge, I don't know that he ever bonded out. I think he's just been,
oh, was it a jail fight?
that's what I'm thinking.
Godfrey,
Oh, I recognize that name.
say it again?
I recognize the name.
Sure.
The new case is from April 3rd.
Yeah, what, was it a jail fight? What happened? He didn't get out, did he?
Oh, it was a good fight.
Oh, it looks like PC's been found. I guess you could roll it till Monday, you know? I don't have you.
Well, the issue is we rolled it all week, and since he's finally here, if you're gonna look at or not, I don't.
No, I'm gonna leave it. I'm not doing anything. Yeah, because remember, the bonds are set at 50,000 as it is now. He never, Yeah. No, I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4. He had the 4 cases, picks up the ag rod. So because of that, I don't think he ever got out. Remember, Alan always wanted the bonds to be lowered.
Oh, Alan just responded, that is no now.
Okay. Hey, don't set Godfrey down. I'm gonna bring him out, please.
That was before.
Oh, okay.
I just read all the information before.
Thank you. Yeah.
I'll see you.
Pretty quick.
It's something easy. There's a judgment for the 3 days in jail, which is not one we're doing this, there should be one for a 15-month probation. That's not showing up on my, is there any way that, let me keep it signed up here? Okay, it's showing up on my end. Okay.
We're three chiefs down on the floor today. Everyone's.
Can they not get enough people? I mean, really?
It's like, I don't think they want to bring the people down on me right now.
Yeah.
There's some, and you saw up there too.
Is the situation gonna get any better?
I hope so. So I know where John Hyde is, she's in here technically, but he's on paternity leave.
Oh, right.
But I think he's coming back next month.
Great.
So they'll have him back soon. And.
I'm gonna go paternity leave too.
Yeah.
Hey, are you ready? You're,
I am Judge. I'm Mr. Christian Ayala.
okay?
Conditions.
Yes.
So Judge, I spoke with pretrial services and they said that you were maybe possibly considering a curfew or.
Not possibly.
Okay,
I am.
you are. Okay.
Yes.
So I did speak to Mr. Ayala. He works for Burger King. And he's working about 35 hours a week there.
Correct.
I asked him, I said, what's the latest that you're there? He's like about 11:30, 12. It's not one of those Burger Kings that's open 24/7. He gets off at about between, he says 11:30 and 12 midnight.
So what we'll do is I need proof, number one, that he's working.
Sir?
I wouldn't need his work schedule.
Okay,
And then I need to know how far the Burger King is from his house.
okay,
He doesn't have a license. He's not allowed to drive.
okay,
And then we will tweak the schedule. But on the days that he's off and not working, he's not allowed to go out at night.
gotcha.
So we want him home by a reasonable time, which is 9 or 10. Is that?
Yeah.
Who is mom? Speak English?
Oh, I didn't know Mama did. You didn't know.
Yeah, yeah, both of you. No hay nada que pasa bueno en 2 de la mañana con una persona que tiene 17. Quiero que él se quede en la casa en la noche. No se puede salir, no puede manejar porque no tiene licencia para manejar, no puede usar drogas, alcohol, y le voy a hacer examen como salvaje para saber que no está usando. La primera vez que él tiene violación, se va a ir a la cárcel y no le voy a dar fianza gratis más. Esas son las condiciones que va a tener. Come up. So I essentially told mom that nothing good happens for a 17-year-old at 2 a.m. You will be tested like crazy. You're not allowed to drive. No weapons. The first violation, you will go to jail. Y le dije que una persona que tiene 17, que tiene 90 libras en la cárcel aquí. Right.
Anderson?
Judge, would you like, I'm assuming his schedule varies a bit each week. Would you like that? schedule to be
Weekly,
given to
right.
the
So
pretrial
weekly,
services?
he'll have to provide the schedule so that we know what his times are. I don't trust anyone. Everyone tries to sell me snake oil, the moon, the stars, the sun. This life is about proof. If you don't have proof, you don't have anything. I'm not going to take your word for it. If you want to stay out to work, I want proof. If you break curfew, your curfew is now 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. At 9 a.m., you better be home, not 9:01, not 9:15, not 9:21. You break it, I'm going to break the bond. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, there we go. So just get with it. Probably Monday will be the latest now, or the earliest that you can get us the schedule, and then we'll start tweaking it and working it out.
Okay,
But at this point, 9 p.m., you must be home.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so he'll be tested weekly so that we know he's not using alcohol or drugs. It'll be random, so he can't prepare for it. Okay? Okay. No te van a cobrar nada, no tienes que pagar nada. Okay? All right. Buena suerte. All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Oh, I forgot. I didn't even see you there, Louis. Thanks. Are you ready?
I'm gonna check him. Yeah, for sure.
Still hasn't signed.
Sign it on the kiosk.
Sign only the first page. So it's this. And then I was doing,
Munford left without signing his bond conditions? I guess.
That shouldn't even be found.
I told him not to leave without signing it and he left.
The only sign is no driving updated and council took him out and talked to him. That was the last thing.
Okay, 5,001. What? Okay. Oh, wonderful. They're bringing him out? Have you read the report on Mr. Godfrey?
I followed him to the end.
Oh, sorry.
Who, Munford? Oh, wonderful. Great. Okay, yeah, bring him in. We'll have him sign, then we'll leave and get him out. Okay, so no. Hey, they're gonna bring him out.
Yes, sir. Do you guys have a mask? Doctor indicated that I was feeling sick.
Oh, wonderful. Maybe two? Two or three?
How are you doing otherwise?
Like regarding these or.
So, yeah, no, so repeat offender, no drugs, no alcohol. It's a year suspension. Yeah, I'm gonna, yeah, 1 year suspension. I'm gonna hit him with the fee. Is he wearing shorts?
I have to give him back. Think something to you, Judge?
No,
While I'm here?
don't.
No worries. Can I get the earliest you said possible?
This is sign. Yes, I can print it out.
Don't come in shorts again, Mr. Munford.
I'm aware, I have to give my pants back to the person that gave it to me.
All right, it's gonna be June 16th.
You now stand charged with number six. Is it number 6? Is that what this is?
Everywhere I have to appeal for a fast recording,
Yes, Your Honor.
that's too long. I have a baby
That's
on the
the
way, I
date,
gotta have my
that's the
license.
date they're.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Come on.
But they can always come and talk to the judge off docket for whatever reason it is.
Come to court and get yelled at for what I didn't do.
That was- Wait, I'm going to get your signature for this legal condition. Go ahead and sign. I'm pretty good. All right.
This is actually very long. Yeah.
You came in here not too long ago. I'm changed. Laura Bonbon. Let me give you some perspective.
So I gotta drive home because I'm almost a signal, but if I can't drive.
They cannot answer you. Don't ask them questions. The bond conditions are what they are.
I wasn't aware I couldn't answer.
One more, I'm gonna hold you in contempt.
Yeah, that's your next. So
Appreciate it.
it's June 9 to the 11th. It'll be a week to 2 weeks.
The complaining witness was assaulted by 5 to 6 individuals.
Oh.
Defendant 1, using a closed fist, struck the complaining witness in the face and the body 14 times, kicking him 16 times. Godfrey struck the complaining witness with a closed fist 10 times and kicked him 8 different times. And it continued over and over and over. If this person dies, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case, Mr. Godfrey. And I'm going to tell you that not even in our jails do we control your actions. So this tells me the decision that we made not to lower your bond was probably a pretty good decision. Do you see why we do what we do? You are still a danger to the public, even in custody. Stop. Don't. Paper tells us, Mr. Godfrey, number 6. I'm going to leave the bonds where they're at. I'm not going to touch them. I don't think that he's going to bond out. Under normal circumstances, I would revoke it and raise it to an even higher bond. But your bonds now are 100, 200, $285,000. So don't talk to your lawyer, and then your lawyer can do the, but at the end of the day, you picked up yet another case. And not only is it a case, but it's a dangerous case. Don't. I want you to understand why we do what we do, Mr. Godfrey. Okay? Great. Alan, did you want to say something?
Thank you, Your Honor, for not raising the bond.
Yeah, I'll leave the bonds as is. It is what it is. Okay.
Okay.
Is it possible to still do like a global?
That's what we're working on, we're working on trying to get a book resolution.
Okay. Whatever you want.
We're just signing.
That's it. I'm going to take your right number just in case. Okay. Okay, go ahead. No.
So sorry. Okay, thank you. Okay.
May we approach you?
Yeah, come on up. All right, so Mr. Escobedo, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. Second offense, you're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they are now reducing it to a DWI first offense. However, it's still elevated to a Class A misdemeanor because of the high blow. Is it true or untrue that you had a breath test of a 0.15 or above?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, I'm going to find that that allegation is true. You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers if you're not a citizen. There are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you are stuck with this. You also need to understand something that we don't, as judges, don't have to take plea bargain agreements. They can recommend it. We do not have to accept it. We can always send someone back. You can either work something else out, or you can set up a trial. Understand that in the line of business that we are in, when we go too easy on people, what happens? It's a rhetorical question you don't have to answer, but I'm giving you perspective of why we do what we do. And when the slaps on the wrist continue to happen, then I just don't think it really benefits anyone. This is why we do what we do. The agreement you have worked out is you are skirting any jail time today, but I'm putting you on notice that if you think that you can continue on this probation like you were while you were on bond, you are sorely mistaken. If you have one positive for alcohol, I can amend your conditions to put you in a rehab facility in the jail. And I'm going to tell you now, we looked yesterday, just to get a bed in the facility is a 3-week wait. And then you go to the facility where if you respond well to treatment, it's a minimum of around 9 months. If not, you could be looking at a 1.5 years in the rehab facility. Do you understand? While you're on probation, your life is not yours. It is subject to the conditions of the probation. And if you think that you're just going to, for you to complete this successfully, you must do a repeat offender DWI education class, 2 victim impact panels. You must also do a TRAD. This is an evaluation to see what are the conditions you need. If they assess other conditions, you must fulfill them. No breath test refusal. If you were pulled over and an officer asks you to submit a breath test while you're on this probation, you must do it. No alcohol, no drugs. You must maintain a guardian interlock and 25 hours of community service. If you fail to live up to this agreement, you're signing a contract now. If you fail to live up to it, I will issue a warrant for your arrest. You will go back to jail, and I'm going to bring you right back out, and we will have a hearing to determine if you violated this agreement. And if you do, you were looking at 1 year in jail. Do you understand? I have a myriad of resources available to me in the event that you violate these conditions. And there are those that you're not going to probably be very happy with. You and only you hold the keys to this cell. Do you understand? How do you plead to this offense? Guilty or not guilty? Are you guilty of this offense? You also need to understand one more thing, Mr. Escobedo. You look relatively young, what, maybe late 30s, early 40s. For the rest of your life, your record, whenever you get pulled over, if you even have the faintest smell of alcohol, the next time you were looking at a felony offense, a minimum of 2 years, a maximum of 10 freaking years in prison. Do you understand? Do you have any clue what they would do to you in our prison? Is there any, oh, I have to suspend your license. I'm going to suspend it for 1 year. Did we miss anything? Okay, all right. Good luck to you. Okay, thanks. Hold on. Hey, are we done?
Yes, Judge.
I'm gonna cut the live stream. Hold on.
You're what?
I'm gonna cut the live stream.